ready, little heroes! Today, we're learning about real-life rescue vehicles.
Yay!
This is an ambulance.
Yay!
Carries sick or injured people to the hospital. Its siren says, "Make way! I'm saving a life!" This is a fire truck.
Yay!
Helps firefighters put out fires with long ladders and water hoses. This is a police car.
Yay!
Chases bad guys and keeps the city safe day and night. This is a rescue helicopter.
Yay!
Flies high to rescue people from mountains or oceans. This is a fire helicopter.
Yay!
Drops water from the sky to stop forest fires. This is a police motorcycle.
Yay!
Zooms fast through traffic to catch rule breakers. This is a tow truck.
Yay!
Helps move broken down cars from the road. This is a Coast Guard boat.
Yay!
Saves people from drowning and keeps oceans safe. This is a bomb disposal truck.
Yay!
Handles dangerous objects carefully to keep everyone safe. This is a hazmat truck.
Yay!
Cleans up chemical spills and keeps the air clean. This is a rescue boat.
Yay!
Helps people stuck in floods or sea accidents. This is a search and rescue truck.
Yay!
Finds missing people during emergencies. This is a mountain rescue vehicle.
Yay!
Climbs rough roads to help hikers in danger. This is a paramedic van.
Yay!
Brings doctors and nurses quickly to people who need help. Fire command vehicle.
Yay!
Guides firefighters and gives orders during big fires. This is a disaster response truck.
Yay!
Brings tools and food after earthquakes or floods. This is the emergency bus.
Yay!
Transports many injured people to hospitals at once. This is a police van.
Yay!
Carries police officers and sometimes suspects. This is a mobile command center.
Yay!
A moving office for emergency teams. This is a Lifeguard Jeep.
Yay!
Patrols beaches to keep swimmers safe. This is a water rescue jet ski.
Yay!
Speeds across the water to save drowning people. This is an emergency snowmobile.
Yay!
Travels over snow to help people in winter rescues. This is an air ambulance.
Yay!
A flying hospital that saves lives in the sky. This is a fireboat.
Yay!
Sprays water on ships and harbors when fires break out. This is an animal rescue truck.
Yay!
Saves animals from dangerous places. This is a forest fire engine.
Yay!
Fights wildfires deep inside forests. This is a flood rescue truck.
Yay!
Drives through water to help people during floods. This is an emergency repair truck.
Yay!
Fixes broken lights or roads during emergencies. This is a civil defense vehicle.
Yay!
Helps protect people during natural disasters. This is a medical helicopter.
Yay!
Quickly takes patients to hospitals far away. This is a rescue bus.
Yay!
Moves people safely from disaster areas. This is an emergency command truck.
Yay!
Helps organize rescue operations in big crises. This is a patrol boat.
Yay!
Watches over rivers and coasts for safety. This is a police helicopter.
Yay!
Follows suspects and helps find missing people from above. This is a fire chief's car.
Yay!
The boss's car that leads firefighters to the scene. This is a disaster relief van.
Yay!
Brings food, water, and blankets to people in need. This is a emergency response SUV.
Yay!
Reaches hard places during accidents or storms. This is a paramedic motorcycle.
Yay!
A fast medical helper in traffic jams. This is an emergency lighting truck.
Yay!
Brings bright lights for night rescues. This is a fire tanker truck.
Yay!
Carries lots of water to fight big fires. This is an ambulance bus.
Yay!
Helps many patients during big emergencies. This is a rescue dog van.
Yay!
Transports brave dogs that help find missing people. This is an emergency evacuation bus.
Yay!
Moves people away from dangerous areas. This is a first aid car.
Yay!
Brings medicines and first aid kits quickly. This is a disaster recovery truck.
Yay!
Helps clean and rebuild after disasters. This is a medical supply truck.
Yay!
Brings life-saving tools and medicines. This is a flood boat.
Yay!
Rescues people from homes surrounded by water. This is a rescue ATV.
Yay!
Quad bike. Drives through rough ground to help fast. This is an emergency drone.
Yay!
Flies above disasters to find and help people quickly.